So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. In case you're new, welcome so much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. And today I'm doing a full face with a different kind of face. This is a face a bit darker than my face. I decided to do this face for a bit darker people because I'm always doing makeup on myself and I'm light skinned, so I want you guys to see the results on this kind of face. And so now I'm going in with my Kiss Beauty foundation. This foundation, for one, it's affordable. For two, it has a perfect coverage, especially to the places that you have acne. It will cover each and every spot that you have. When you go in with this foundation, you need, of course, a beauty blender or a brush. And when you're using a beauty blender, I like using beauty blenders because I believe it blends well. When I'm using the blender, you make sure that the blender is damp, it has some water, because it will not give you the desired results. So you make sure you blend everything together. And another trick when you're putting on foundation is that foundation actually builds up, or rather you should not put too much foundation at the same time, so you can continue building up your foundation the same way I'm doing it, and concentrating on the parts that have acne the most. So those are the parts that you're going to apply your foundation. Yeah, so you go in, you blend everything, and you make sure everything is blended well. When you put too much foundation at the same time, it will not give you the desired results. So when you build up, of course, it will give you an amazing look. So that's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, you see we're building up on the cheeks. Yeah, and you guys, I'm sure right now you can see the coverage that this foundation has already. It has beautiful, perfect coverage. This is why I love it, and this is why I actually recommend this product and all other Kiss Beauty products. So when I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Pro Concealer. This is my Pro Concealer. I'm going in with it on the under eyes, because if you have a black eye, of course you need some concealer on your lower eyes, so that you can make your whole face even. So I concentrate on that part the most. So guys, I'm now going in with my powder. I'm actually baking under my eyes. Yeah, I'm baking under my eyes, on some parts on my faces. Yeah, like that. And after 5 minutes, I actually take my brush and I actually blend everything together. I blend the powder with my brush. And make sure you blend it in all the parts of the face. Yeah. And before I forget, guys, when we started this video, I have already done the brows. So the brows are done. That's why we just jumped that step. So the next thing we're going to do is to contour, and I'm using this Pro Kylie contour, or rather Pro Kylie concealer to contour, and I'm contouring on the cheeks, on the lower cheek, on the chin, and on my forehead. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend everything. Yeah, you make sure you blend it. And when you want to improvise something for a contour, you can actually choose a shader that is darker than your own skin shade. So this concealer is way darker than her shade. That's why I decided to use it. And you can also powder contour. Actually, contouring, you can improvise so many things. You can also use an eyeshadow to contour, a powder eyeshadow, an eyeshadow that is not shimmery, a nude eyeshadow for contouring, and it will give you the best results. So you can improvise it with a concealer or a contour. So this one here is my baked highlighter. It's actually Kiss Beauty based highlighter, and I've already highlighted. So now I'm going in with the eyes. I'm going into the crease with this pink shade on my crease. Of course, on your crease you need a color that will pop, a bright color. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to clean up our lid with our concealer. We have already done the crease, we have already blended everything up. So now we are cleaning our lid with my Pro Kylie concealer. Yeah, you make sure you clean the lid properly for proper results. If you want your eyeshadow to pop, of course you need to clean your lid, because actually the basis of eyeshadow is the lid. If you spoil up the lid, you spoil everything. after cleaning my lid, I'm going in with my gold eyeshadow palette. This is from my palette Relax palette. This is actually my best palette. Yeah, I'm going in with the lid with this shade, the golden shade. So after I'm done going with my lid with my golden shade, I'm going to add some highlighter on my edges, on the base edges of my eyes, so that my eyeshadow can pop. Yeah, that part. And also on the lower part a little bit. I'm going to draw my highlighter there. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. Yeah, I'm going in with my eyeliner, and I'm going in with my eyeliner on both eyes. I'm actually using the dual hand eyeliner. This is actually the cheapest eyeliner you will ever get, and I love the way it works. You guys will see wonders that this eyeliner works, and it only costs 100 bob. So if you have 100 bob, you can get yourself the dual hand eyeliner and draw your eyes and just look perfect. So guys, now I'm going in with my mascara. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what this mascara is called, but I bought it for only 200 shillings. And next time I'm going to link it down in the description box, or rather once I'm done with this video, I'm going to link it down in the description box so you guys can check that out and go and buy this same kind of mascara. So guys, there you have, that's our results. You can see the makeup is popping. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.